daytime. I got the blower running. I got my cow star pea in here. No wind. Early morning. I got space for mosquitoes. This is the second round. As you can see, I got myself out pretty much covered, and I believe in wearing the respirator. So I'm going to set this over here. I think you'll be able to see me doing some of the trees in that. Because if I set it against the house, that's where I'm going to spray. Still on my phone, all covered with spray. So, got my Stihl, my trigger here, to start the concentrate, and my throttle. Alright, so I got the gear off. Took me a half hour to do our yard, all the way back to where I make firewood, and to do the neighbor's yard. It's kind of nice doing the neighbor's yard too, because I think that actually benefits us in the long run as far as mosquitoes go. I took the rain suit off. As you could see, my layer of protection, my respirator. I wouldn't do this without a respirator. I know they show videos of people doing it without it. I just really urge you to be cautious on that. You just never know how this stuff 20 years from now comes back to bite you. So with that said, hit the subscribe button. That's one of our projects for today, already done. It's about 7:30. There's no wind. That's why I did it this morning. I read up on it. They said even though things are wet from yesterday's rain, and we've got more storms coming in again tonight, they said you need about 6 hours. Put that in your mind. You need about 6 hours for that to be absorbed into the plants, and it's good. You can have rain after that. The amount of rain over the next 90 days or 60 days will determine your next spray time. Of course, more rain precip you have, the sooner you're going to want to spray, and probably the intensity of the mosquitoes. But I guarantee you this stuff works, okay? Because I can take the dogs for a walk now, and I'm standing out here in short sleeves, not a mosquito around, okay? I can walk them down the road a little bit where it hasn't been sprayed, and the mosquitoes are all over, especially Lucy, our black dog, black fur dog, for whatever reason. I'm guessing because the black fur absorbs more sun. It's hotter than Mulligan's fur, and the mosquitoes like that more than Mulligan. It's just a guess. But would I do it? Certainly. Would I be cautious about it? Yes. Okay, the windows are closed. Dogs I'll keep in for an hour. After that, they say everything is good to go according to the things that I have read. Once again, it's at your own discretion, but this is definitely a Brian's best. We wouldn't be able to be out here without it. So have a great day. Thank you for watching, and we continue to grow the channel slowly. But please hit that subscribe button, help us grow a little bit faster, and I appreciate it. Have a great day. Thank you.